Hi everyone, welcome once again to my channel. In today's video, I will show you 3 easy ways to peel, wash and store your beans at home. The first method is the grater method. So for this, you have to soak your beans for 1 hour or more. After the 1 hour, take some of the beans and rub them on a larger part of the grater, just this way I'm doing. Continue doing it and you will see the skin of the beans peeling off. After some minutes, I will now wash the beans and pour off the water with the skin of the beans. And I will reuse the same water to avoid wasting water. After 3 times of washing, I will now rinse the beans with clean water. And here we have the first method done. And for the second method, the blender method. So the same thing, you have to soak the beans at least 1 hour. Now I will transfer the beans with the water to the blender. And make sure you add enough water so that the beans will be swimming in there while you are blending and pausing. So this way you blend and you pause, you blend and pause. Now I'll pour it in the bowl to start the washing. And I want to use this opportunity to thank and welcome my new and returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always being there. Thank you for your love, your support. I truly appreciate. Okay, I will wash until I get rid of the skin of the beans. Actually, this method is not my favorite method, because the blender cracks the beans in a smaller pieces, but it's not bad, okay? So let me know your favorite method out of these 3 methods that I've shown here in this video. And here we have the results of the blender method. So now we go to the last method, which is the hand method. So for the hand method, you just soak the beans for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, you just start rubbing the beans in between your palm. Just this way. Or another easy way to do it is to close your left palm and rub the beans with the right palm. Just this way. So this method and the grater method are my favorite method because the beans are intact, especially the palm method. So after several times of washing, I will rinse with clean water. And here we have it. The beaks are intact. So here I have everything to store it, and we'll be using a zip lock bag. And here you have a place you can write the date, the day you prepared it, and put it in the freezer. You can just write the date or what you want to use the beans for. It's just left for you. And writing the date is very important because sometimes we'll put things in the freezer, we forgot about them. It's good always to put the date so that anytime you bring it out, to know how long it has been in the freezer, to know if it is eatable or not. So I will just pour it in the bag this way and try to take out the air just this way. So after I try to take out the air, I will zip it up, and this can last in the freezer for 3 to 6 months without any problem. Anytime you just want to use it, you just bring it out and defrost it and blend it and use it for whatever you want, moi moi or akara. So the remaining one, I will store it in this smaller bag that also has a place where you can write the dates or the name, whatever you wish to. So remember to like the video and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, okay? And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to share it so that others will also benefit from it. So this one does not have a zip. I will seal it up with a sellotape. So that is it for today, and thank you so much for watching, and remain blessed till we see you next time. Bye bye.